Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. So we were discussing about graphs. We will see some problems on the graphs today. So let us assume an object is projected vertically upwards. Then displacement time graph. Displacement time graph they give like this. And values. Here it is going to be. This value is going to be displacement means in meters. They gave this value 10 meters. 10 meters. So this value they have not given. Let us assume. Then what is the initial velocity they will ask? What is the initial velocity of the vertically projected body on the ground? They will ask. So whenever they give this value, this point is going to represent. This point is going to represent maximum height. What is the maximum height formula? It's maximum equal to u square by 2g. Now, what is the maximum height they gave? 10 meters. Therefore, 10 is equal to u square by 2 into 10. So, from this you will get u square is equal to 200. U is equal to 2 to 200. That is going to be 10 2 to 2 meter per second. This is the initial velocity of that vertically projected body. Next, for the same question, they won't give 10. For the same question, they will give. In case of vertically projected body, displacement time, displacement in meters, time in seconds. Now, they may give time here. Either this is 2 seconds, otherwise this is 4 seconds. Then what is the initial velocity they will ask? So, the time taken to reach maximum height. What is the maximum height? U square by 2g. But here they give time of ascent. What is time of ascent? U by g. This time of ascent value is 2. So 2 is equal to u by 10. Then u is 20 meter per second. Otherwise, here total 4 they give. This is total time. What is total time formula? U by. So from this, 4 is equal to 2 into u by 10. So from this also, you are going to get same initial velocity. Correct? U value 20 meter per second. So this is in case of vertically projected body. Now they may give this graph. In case of vertically projected body, same question. Velocity, time. So velocity is in meter per second. Time is in second. Now they gave graph like this. Already models we discussed. Now how they are going to ask the problems we are seeing. This is nothing but 10 meter per second. So after reaching this point also, it is going to be 10, but it is minus 10 meter per second. Because in case of vertically projected body, if you have projected with u initial velocity, whenever it is coming backwards, at the same point of projection, you are going to get same velocity, but its direction is reverse. Direction is reverse means that is going to be minus u they will represent. If you want proof for this means, if it is projected with initial velocity u, let us assume, then how much time it is taking to reach point of projection? Total time is 2u by g. What is the velocity after t time? V is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u minus gt. U minus g into 2u by g. Maybe already we might have discussed this. U minus 2u is so minus 10. Next, this is going to represent. So time of ascent. This is going to represent time of ascent means total time. So this value they may ask how much time it is going to take, isn't it? So what is the formula we are going to use means TA is equal to Q by G. Now what is the initial velocity it is projected means 10. Therefore 10 by 10, 1 second. Therefore this TA is going to be 1 second and TD is going to be 2 seconds. So like this they may ask. Next step, by using this graph, velocity time graph, they may ask how much distance, how much displacement they will ask. What is the distance it is going to cover? So what is the distance it is going to cover means how we will do just this is velocity time graph. Velocity time graph means to calculate distance, what we have to calculate? Area. So area means this is the area. What is the area formula? Of base into 1 into height. What is the height? Therefore, 5 meters. So 5 meters means in case of vertically projected body, if it is projected with 10 meter per second initial velocity, how much maximum height it is covering means, or distance it is going to cover means 5 meters it is going to cover. Next up. This is only in case of vertically up to reaching maximum height. Then after reaching maximum height, it will be coming downwards. Whenever it is coming downwards, the remaining distance. Therefore, this one also will get same. But if they are asking distance means, so upwards 5 means downwards also 5 you will get. Therefore, total is 10 meters. Distance is 10 meters. If they are asking displacement, 5 minus 5, that is going to be 0. Displacement will be 0 because final position, initial position is going to be same, isn't it? So this is how they are going to ask the question. Now we will see another question on this. So again, this is velocity time graph. So velocity is in meter per second, time is in seconds. So let us assume they have given graph like this. Just we are taking our own graph. Like this they give. Now here they are going to give some values for you. This is going to be 10 meter per second. This is going to be minus 10 meter per second. This is 2, 4, 6 seconds. This is time. Now what is the total distance? What is the total distance? What is the total displacement if they ask? How we have to do? Again, this is graph between velocity and time. What we have to calculate now to find distance and displacement means area. So what is the area of this first part? First part area is length into width. 10 into 2. Next, this area. This is also same. If you are calculating distance, we cannot take negative. Therefore, plus this value is going to be 10 into, again this is also 4 minus 2, 2. 10 into 2. Next, this area is also same, plus 10 into 2. Therefore, 20 plus 20 plus 20. That is going to be 60 meters. This is going to give distance. Now, what is the displacement? Displacement means this is positive. Therefore, plus 20. This is negative. Therefore, minus 20. Again, this is positive. Therefore, plus 20. So, finally, displacement is going to be 20 meters. So, like this, you can do whenever they are giving velocity time graph. Now, velocity time graph, it is going to become given like this. Let us assume, I'm going to draw here, velocity time. It is given like this. So, what is its next graph? How the next graph will be coming? So, velocity time graph, if it is given like this, next graph will be acceleration time. Here, velocity is constant, therefore, acceleration is 0. This is only graph, acceleration is 0. Here, you are going to get. Now, how you will get previous graph for this? What is the previous graph? Displacement time. If graph is given constant, before graph will be coming like this. Displacement time graph will be coming like this. So already next graph, previous graph we set, isn't it? If it is constant, next graph will be coming like this. If it is constant, previous graph will be coming like this, isn't it? So already we discussed in previous video all this. Did you remember? So if graph is given like this, velocity time, let us assume. Then what is the acceleration time? Acceleration time we got like this because this is positive slope, isn't it? Like this. Now this is the graph. So for this previous graph always it will be like this. Now see here. So this is the graph means for this previous graph will be like this. But here acceleration time, therefore previous graph is velocity time. Now here first graph is velocity time, therefore its previous graph is displacement time. So like this it is going to come. If you remember, you can do very easily.